Nei liang ukertong ke UDP na Kyrmen constituency Kyrmen Shylla, hei por wa yaklamo wa ki wa pathai khubor negesngi, hei por wa wanpai u ya ka polling station wa ha Kyrmen West, da ongo wa ka yale himan ko ha perdi ke UDP wa ka NPP ha ka constituency yang o. Tang wa da ongo wa dai maya ki paidbah artatino wa yo ye job ha ka artering, we chani o ye maya ki paidbah. Da ongu wa hadin wa da wanu na kawi hadin kawi ka thau thap vun, da yo wa ka yale man ko ha perdi ke UDP wa ka NPP, tang wa kattele mkhain stinyu ya wanu ukertong. Nei bha waro to ki wa da yakun wa yo ye jom, we du ki wa korhi, tang wa dai maya ki paidbah da yo ye jom. Hei to wan wa kam uthap vut da ongu, wa ki paidbah to usngau ki, wa du kawi ka vut mye ko wa wanra yi ikela, tang wa man go ko kordor ne bha ka chiwut ye ko penjob we wo penrem kam te do ongu wa ka roi ka par wa poi cha ka thain to ki wa wan na ka chiwut kam te ka chiwut le man go ko kam.
Actually, with the public's love, I have no doubt that the second will come out with a flying color. So I believe this same love which they have shown today, it will remain and they will cast their vote on my favor. This is what I have seen and I believe in my people. As of now, when I went to polling, so I've seen that most actually me and between UDP and NPP, that is a fight. So, but still, I will not I will consider all the candidates as fighters, and then I'll consider that it's a tough fight with everyone. So, but still, I believe with my people's love, I will come out and win this election.
Can you please share us a message on the importance of voting?
Yes, actually, people might feel that my one vote count nothing. But for me, what I feel is that one vote is very precious. The reason how and then who make the candidate win the election is that one vote. So that's why I feel that this one vote really matters, and we should count it. And then for that one vote, I believe that people should value it, and then because all the developments and then all these schemes which will be coming to our area, it's because of my one vote and our one vote. So that's why we have to value it for the betterment of our constituency.